Welcome to the Volt Center, an extension of the Craven Community College Workforce Development Program. The Volt Center provides students with innovative training opportunities that are driven by the employment needs of local businesses.
The relationship between Bern and Community College began many years ago as we looked for partnerships to provide a great training environment for our workforce. We've worked with them with projects, at least for 10 or 15 years, to try to develop both our team leader workforce, the kind of skilled workers, and then we're looking for these opportunities to train direct line associates. So we've donated an assembly line to the Volt Center as close as possible to what the working environment will be like at Moen. We really felt it would be important for the associates to go through that to experience what it would be like. Because our hope is that they leave here, immediately start working for us, and are very successful.
When we come out here, the environment away from the workspace provides us a better, secure area to transfer knowledge into a skill. With a hands-on skill that's now being performed out here at the Volt, we're going to get a much better product and a better delivery to the production departments. I think the operations out here at the Volt will allow us, with the environment that we have with inside the classroom setting, I think will give us an ability to strengthen the skills of our entry level to an advanced level, which will provide us a skill that will be utilized on building our yachts.
When you have the partnerships that we have and the companies are coming out and actually investing in the future, not only of the company, but to invest in the future of the students coming through these programs, and their hope and their end game as well is to provide a career pathway for those individuals to come and be very successful at their locations, and they're providing us that equipment, those tools to do this is paramount.
We've got a big vision, but imagine taking yourself out onto the work site, or say a home is being built. We can actually duplicate that here now. We can have all the trades working cohesively, have the plumbers come in when it's their time to come in, and actually see what it's like in our facility, real world example. Anyone that gets trained through us here, when they go to an employer and they put in their NCC ERID number, they'll know what skills they already have. Just this past week, I got a phone call from an electrical contractor. I need employees. So they're already knocking on our door, and that's what we want. We want the businesses to come to us, talk to the students, let them hear what opportunities are waiting there. You know, all we can do is give them the skills. Now we want the employers, the businesses, to come in and talk to the students and give them an opportunity.
Relationships, partnerships, opportunities. Workforce development training at the Volt Center. Your connection to a new career.